Hey there. Welcome to Joygram, a place where you could create really cool interactive websites to send to your loved one on their next birthday. You could add your photos, a poem, or cool, words that you want to add, and essentially it'll be very quick to generate a really cool interactive website that you could share with the loved one or whoever you want to share it with. Um, so why this sort of came about. I mean, I'll show you guys a demo. The way it initially started is, I use Canva a lot, and Canva's really cool. It generates these sort of posters that you could then add your photos. But one of the things with this is it's very static. It's like this one poster that's generated for the birthday. I wanted to see if there's a way to create a more interactive experience, almost like an album, but on a website with other sort of web elements added to the website to make it more cooler and nice. So this is what Joygram is. So here's a quick demo of how it works. So you come on the site, you click in the birthday, a song starts playing in the background, which I'll lower, and then you have this interactive text that shows. And this is all customized, so you can share, you can customize it to whatever you want. And they have a cool little interactive scratch card, similar to how the lottos work. That's where I sort of got that idea. So you guys scratch about probably 80% of it. Should be good. And now you get this cool interactive experience where then you add your photos, and it would automatically create this interactive website where you could add your custom text. And it created this in nice album format for you. And then at the end, after this is done, you could then share this with whoever you want to share this, and this is what they'll see. So this is sort of the site, and this is how it sort of works. I'll let this finish, and then we could go into how, or we could go into the dashboard and see how we could very quickly make something like this. So now some. Yeah, I gotta take that. So that's it. So this is the site, and then this is what the person will see at the end, and then they can replay it. So I'll close this. And so how does this work, and how do you create it, right? So right now we're in private beta. So visit joygram.io and enter your waitlist, enter your email, and you'll be added to the waitlist, and it'll be completely free. To generate your first site as an appreciation from me that you joined the waitlist very early. So thank you for that. But yeah, once you're in the website and you get the link, essentially what you do is you would come here, you'd create a new surprise. So in this case, let's say birthday. At the moment, I'm first focusing on birthdays, but then later on you could obviously imagine that we could add a bunch of other things. Okay, so we're gonna get a bunch of images. Here's the first thing we're gonna do. So I'm gonna drag and drop, and it's pretty straightforward. You just drag and drop the images that you want on your particular card, or in this case, particular website, and then you go next. At the moment, I'm gonna be adding more customizations to this, but at the moment we have an interactive blue theme or something more romantic or red, and then from there the font color is gonna be customizable. Even interactive elements like the cool little background elements you guys see, the gift boxes. We're gonna have different vector arts that I'm gonna create. I like doing a lot of artwork on the side, so I'll create this and have this customizable, almost like a drag and drop for you guys to start. But this is essentially going to be the start, and then from here, you add to your mom's name, and so from there you could choose what sort of theme you want, and then this is cool because you could essentially get a an AI to help you generate these. So an AI could help generate a 10-line poem for you that you could play, which you could then edit, and we'll add further customizations here on the prompt. So we'll make this interactive. So you could tune your poems and text based on your edits, and also with the help of AI if you choose to. And then from there, you create the site, and then if you go to your new tab, if we just refresh this, you sort of see this red theme now at this point. And then from there, the audio starts pretty straightforward, and similar to the demo that I previously said. So I'll probably stop that, but that's pretty much the core gist of this, at least the initial version. But a lot more is going to be added soon. Customizations on the text in the start, drag and drop scratch me elements or other sorts of vector arts that I think would be interesting to add, say on a birthday card. And so, yeah, if you guys are interested in this, feel free to go to joygram.io and enter your email in the waitlist, and you'll get a link to access the app that's currently in development but should be done relatively soon. Thank you very much for staying and coming this far and listening to this. I really appreciate it.